side here. Oh man, yeah, this one looks so good. Just like that. Oh yeah. Got some pry it off, get the camera, then 2 more bolts, and that's about it. Let's get to it. So right up here, got 2. Takes 7mm, pretty far up there. Pretty easy. I got something else to show you guys right after this. Looks absolutely sick. So glad I got him. Oh yeah. Took those 4 out. Now we gotta try and pull on this thing. That's gonna be kind of fun. See if I can pull it in. That'll be the interesting part. Probably easier if I had a prying tool. It'd probably help. Just some clips. Doesn't help when it's really hot. Last thing, guys, let me put down the camera. Let me try it with 2 hands. Do a lot of help. As you can see, guys, there's just little clips down in there. It's all along here. And all you do is pull on it and hope you don't break this. I recommend getting the pry tools, plastic pry tools, so it'll mess up your trunk. Or this deck lid, you can probably sell this deck lid for some money. Man, this thing's tough. Let me try and get this other side now. Next thing here, it says to use a 5.5mm socket to remove the 2 screws that go to the camera. Next. I'll address these. Alright. Oh. Can't use a screwdriver, gotta use a socket. This goes to that. So next thing you do here is you take off every single one of these. See, some of these are missing. It's because, well, they broke up because I wasn't that delicate with it. So you gotta be really careful, guys. I'm gonna use a screwdriver if I can find one. Just a flathead to easily remove those. Should be pretty easy. And then you transfer them over to your new decklid panel. So I'm gonna do that next. Just like that. Just like that. Careful not to break them. That's all I gotta say. If this thing would stay in, that'd probably be best, actually. Oh man, it's so hot outside today. Oh my gosh. There's somebody car alarm. Somebody getting car stolen. Okay, that's horrible. Next thing you do here, guys, just put this back on here. Like so. Even easier than coming off, that's for sure. Nice. One more. Oh, this one only comes with 4. So you must, I guess I didn't break any of them. You must only come with 4. It's kind of weird there's extra clips for the factory one though. Now here comes the challenge. Put this back on. Put this back in here. Back up there. Just like that. Screws back in it. Reveal of the new matte decklid panel. Yo, that looks absolutely sick. Oh my god. Definitely tell you guys, way easier doing it with someone else. That way they can hold the decklid while you do all the screws and whatnot. So that'll be it, guys. Hope you learned a little bit more about how to do it. It's pretty easy. Thank you guys for watching. If you go follow my Instagram, it's R_S Productions, Running Style Productions. Super sweet. I try and post every single day. It's super sick. And then here's my new tires, guys. I forgot to show you this. That looks absolutely nasty. That offset on there, I love it, guys. These are Nittos. Super sick. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time.